One break-in could cost your small business thousands. Repairs, stolen stock, and lost sales. But there's a way to protect yourself before it happens. Burglary can strike any business, from retail shops to home offices. Without proper coverage, you're left paying for new equipment, damaged doors, and downtime from your own pocket. Next Insurance offers commercial property insurance, tailored for small businesses. It can help cover theft losses, property damage, and even replacement cost. Their online platform lets you customize coverage, get instant proof of insurance, and file claims 24/7, all without endless paperwork. Boost your protection with visible security measures. It can deter thieves and sometimes lower premiums. Click the link in the description below for a free quote from Next Insurance and protect your business today.